Hey everybody, again. I was just recording for like 6.5 minutes, this entire thing, and it just stopped on me. I'm like, why it stopped? I went to look at my iPod memory. 1.4 megabytes left. Oh my god. Went back and deleted all my vlogs on my from my iPod. All, oh god, 4. Then this one was 5. Then yeah, Sunday I deleted. By the way, I'm giving up on that. Giving up. Done. There's no point. It won't upload. Every time I try, it's just like this. It's just like, I did this last time. Let's see if it goes like right here. Remember, it's on this side. That just goes preparing. Stop. I'm like, no, it's not hammer time. No, go. Nah. Please. I don't want to. Please. Somebody to tell you now. What? I'm sorry. I talk to my fingers when I'm vlogging, apparently. Anyway, this vlog's gonna be really short now. You know, last time I sang a little bit on the one I was recording just a second ago. I don't know. I'm just tired now. I don't know, I'm just drained. I was telling you about a song we sang. Oh yeah, I'm in my Acapellas shirt. We went to sing to the bank today. Oh yeah, so I sponsor that? Sponsor, I guess. Oh crap. I gotta use the gym, I don't know what to do anymore. I'm just tired, dude. Oh, hey, that's my finger. Intro darkness, radius white. Intro darkness, whiteness. Intro darkness, whiteness. That's a racist joke. If one of my friends was here, I'd make it really racist. And go, like go up to him and be like, hey, darkness, redness, whiteness. Make it really racist. Whatever works. I don't know, I got nothing to say, really. If you don't mind, I'm gonna lay down. I'll vlog you sideways. See, look, I'm laying sideways and I'm vlogging sideways. This could work. This could be nose itch. And there's a giant shadow across my face. Watch like the shadow's right here. Ready? How's that? No? Good? Maybe? Probably not. I don't care. I had fun. What would you do if I just passed out on you guys like that? Did like a 20-minute vlog. Posted it. You have to watch that for 15 minutes. Would you enjoy that? Would you like it? Would that be a good vlog? Maybe I'll do it sometime. That's a stretch. Okay. I got nothing to say, really. Mom's gonna cut it off here. Oh, no, I can explain about the song that we sang, my favorite one. It's called I Wish to Be Single Again. And, this guy, he's like, I married a wife, she was the plague of my life. I'm like, no, you can't say, you married her, you can't say that's mean. Get a divorce. He's like, my wife took a fever, I hope it won't leave her. I'm like, dude, like I said, get the divorce. Don't wish she dies. He's like, my wife, she died, and I laughed till I cried. I'm like, is that like premeditated disease murder right there? Huh? He's like, I went to the funeral, I walked from the graveside, and I saw a fair maid, and I longed to be married again. I'm like, hold on. You're at your wife's funeral. Your wife's funeral. Sorry, lots of nose itches tonight. Don't know why. Anyway, you're at your wife's funeral. You. If you're a girl, then you're a lesbian. Get over it. Just for this song. Actually, no, because we're acapellas. Like all men style. Sponsor. All men. So, it would be wife. Unless you're gay, then life partner. Okay, your significant other. You're at their funeral. Okay, no, this has to be a girl. Okay, it's your wife. Get over it. I don't care if you're gay, bi. Love you all the same. I don't care. But for this scenario, you're straight. You're straight. You like women. See, look, that shadow now is gonna bug me because I can't do a dramatic, eye zoom up. Because look, now I'm like half on him. How does that weird? That look creepy now. Anyway, it doesn't work. But you're at your wife's funeral. You see a hot chick. And then it says, and I wish to be married again. So you're at your wife's funeral. You see this hot girl, and now you want to be married again. And then the song's like, I married another, oh then. I'm like, okay, whatever, fine. Doesn't tell you how long. After, probably like 2 weeks. He's like, and she was worse than the other, and I longed for the old one again. I'm like, okay. Talk about realize what you have after it's gone, huh? Okay, well, I have to get up. I'm gonna fall asleep. Oh god, I just like fell backwards again. No, my hat does. Not my hat, my hair. But yeah. And then it's like, married another, she was worse than the other, and I longed for the other one again. And I'm like, okay. And it's like, I married another. Excuse me. He's like, and I wish to be single. Oh my god, I'm sorry. I'm so sorry. Excuse me. That's the tiniest burp. Did you even hear that? It was like, eh. I'm like, what? No, what is that? No. Anyway, it's like, I'm married, another, she's worse than the other, and I long to be single again. Okay. Whatever, I guess. This is longer than the other ones now, huh? It was 5-minute yawn just now. More like 8 seconds, but whatever. Okay, I'm gonna go, I guess. Oh, I found out I can make a new noise. Oh, hold on. Oh my god, that that hurts. Anyway, I love you. Subscribe. And oopsies. And outro. Dead baby joke. Dead baby joke. Dead baby. I have 20 seconds. Dead. Oh, think. Come on. What gets louder as it gets smaller? Baby in a trash compactor. Okay, love you, subscribe.